What up, bitch? Today I'll show you how to solve PicoCTF challenges, because guessing the flag clearly isn't working for you. If you don't have an account, please sign up first. This challenge is called Cookies, an easy web exploitation challenge from PicoCTF 2021. The description is simple: everyone loves cookies, so find out which one is the best. The challenge spins up a live instance, and once it's running, you get a website to play with. Alright, after we click it, we get a search box. Yeah, that's right, type in anything that comes to your mind. Even if your brain is still buffering, just input something. After you enter the input, we inspect the page. Yeah, obviously, even your grandma would know this part. Once you're there, just change the value to 8. So why does changing it to 18 make the flag appear? Because the website is dumb enough to trust client-side cookies. That value is basically an age check. Below 18, you get blocked. Set it to 18, and the site thinks you're allowed. No back-end validation, no real security. Just blind trust. You didn't hack anything fancy, you just lied about your age, like when you say you're 18 and they let you walk into a bitch room. Now just submit the flag. Yeah, no surprises here. Even your grandma saw this coming. Challenge solved. Get out! Now, which one are we solving next? Don't just sit there, lazy kid. Nah, no more web. Let's jump into crypto. I'm choosing a hard challenge. Easy ones are so boring even your grandma's tired of them. Alright, this one's called b00tl3gRSA2, a hard cryptography challenge. The description basically asks, since RSA's private key D is way bigger than E, why not use D to encrypt instead? Sounds smart at first, but yeah, that question alone should already make you suspicious. More details show up once you launch the instance, so let's stop reading and actually break it. Oh no, this is just an RSA cipher. We only need to decrypt it. Just adjust it, the flag will come out. And just like that, we get the flag, easy. Now just submit the flag. Yeah, no surprises here. Alright, that's enough for today. Hey bro, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and thank you.